Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. The next place that Blue is going to visit is... Alam ko na to! Oh! Hello! Oh my God! Yellow! First, oh my God! The Private Life of Blue! So since 2007, hindi na ako nakapunta dito after how many years dito sa Claret School. At sa wakas nakarating na ako dito sa hometown ko. Welcome to... My God, mo naman video, aral lang. Kay 11:57 kasi kaya, bla yun ah. Eh, beauty.
Perfecta.
Welcome to South Africa.
No, miracle.
Ano daw Mindanao now through.
Just arrived in Zamboanga. Fresh ka talaga.
Not me.
De, El Chica muna, best. Di ba? Dito sa Zamboanga, hindi alam ng parents ko na pupunta ako dito. It's a surprise. At nag-reserve ka na ng ano, best?
Na?
Nag-reserve ka ng La Grande, di ba?
Yes.
Good for. Pero ang chessmes, hindi tuloy. Ay, my mother, she told me na dini tatay ablale na akalan di ba kal Beats and Bites daw kitchen daw discount man cancel daw La Grande. How true? Boy, yun ang chessmes.
But naman, hindi yung real name niya dahil kami na Lagrand.
So lahat ng pinano ko, siya talaga yung connivance ko. Lahat ng plano ko, labagsak lahat.
So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, hindi natuloy. So, kakain muna ako dahil dito sa Chinitos. Chinitos! For over 25 years, Chinitos restaurant has been a shining beacon of quality service in Zamboanga City. It's located near sa airport ng Zamboanga City and it's one of the oldest and most beloved food establishments. They have satisfied both tourists and locals alike with their spectacular array of mouth-watering dishes and top-notch service. Bongga dito, original shawarma fried rice. Chinitos, you're one of the best actually. Wait lang, best. Tikman mo nga kung masarap. No. Just an education on everyone. Chinitos, it started when?
1997.
Eh, por qué kayo mirabaho? So, ending 1997 na lang. So, we are older than Chinitos, pero they've been here for more than 20 years yan.
Pero yan, bela, yung start ele, pinasabi ko, kabila ko na pinito.
Coping. Siya na lang nila.
It's the got a fried rice nila.
Oo, ito talaga yung original nila guys, fried rice. Dati, feeling ko yung wala pa yung restaurant, stall lang, di ba? Stall lang sa isang mall.
Or in Minpro na SM na ngayon.
On, in Minpro, tos SM na ngayon. Pero SM Minpro na. Kasi ayaw, i-give up na mayari ng Minpro.
Grocery.
Kaya SM Minpro pangalan. Yeah, it started 1997 guys. Ngayon, it's more than 20 years na. You check, oh, what an improvement. And then, just to let you know, their mango float, this is very big and it's just 90 pesos, bes. It's very big, oh. And then this one is the mango Graham
Leche plan.
Graham de leche. And it's very big, oh. Like half a plate. Oh na. Largo pa di ko mano, bes.
Kamay ko ha.
True.
Kasi yung kamay ko mga nasa 9 inches.
Na. Suko kang. No! Nakita tayo ng tatay. Surprise na natin yung tatay ko dahil. So, surprise na natin si mama ko. Ay.
Ano yung mother chicken?
Ito na, wait lang. Bless you. Bless you.
Surprise!
Buenas!
Surprise!
Buenas! Di mandali kumigo, uwi, kumigo. Daddy. Mandalang uwi, uli. Ah. Yeah.
You're so good.
Yung talyura. Talyura. Namalyura kayo na ayusin. Hello, so ayun na nga. Dapat yung surprise ko, di ba? Hindi siya naging surprise. Ako ang na-surprise dahil. Pero for now, later tonight, pupunta kami somewhere to celebrate their anniversary. Like, circa sila man 40 years actually, best. Like 39 years yan sila. Ano kasi tawag kapag 40 years? Silver?
Ruby?
Ruby or matet in yung cellphone. Nabuyong ka.
Ruby.
So I don't know, pero doon tayo pupunta kung saan kumakanta yung papa ko. And then after that, tomorrow we're going to explore Zamboanga and rate their cultural preservation. Buyong ka. Anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy Smile, Mia, smile! Hey, video! Hey! Oh, smile nun. Look! Mother! Pwede yan kabaw yan. Smile, girls! Smile! Videos na video. Eh!
The 6 flowers, red roses mean to say they're our children, the 6 children.
Oy!
And the meaning
Alam ko may kambal ako.
say the yellow one, the light of the house.
Eh! Ilaw ng tahanan.
Surrounding like Apo.
Maraming utang. Ay, hindi pala. Siya na pa pending loan. Charis. Eh! Alright. So it's very mainit at saka kakauwi ko lang galing duty. So I forgot pala to rate Zamboanga City. Actually, Zamboanga City, medyo na-disappoint ako, guys. Kasi there are some places na restricted or hindi pwedeng puntahan. Eh, so hindi na lang sa nila pinablik dahil, di ba? So for now, kasi I just visited the Fourth Pilar, the City Hall, my family. Hiningal talaga ako dahil. Wait lang. So after like Dahil literally day off lang talaga ako pupunta ng Zamboanga City. So I'm gonna rate Zamboanga City for now. Hopefully mabunod ko siya in the future. 6 out of 10. These are the results. Cebu first and then Zamboanga. Tara, magbunot na tayo. Let's go. Hello, future self. Welcome back here in Cebu. Ngayon na nanggaling ka na ng Zamboanga because you celebrated anniversary with your parents. So, ganun talaga. We're family-oriented. But as you know, future self, dati pa talaga, nung nagbablog ka pa talaga, you always have this question of what makes you happy? What makes you inspired? What makes you motivated? And then right now, in this specific video, we will be answering all of your questions, future self, and we are going to do that today. Now, since nanggaling na tayo ng Zamboanga, i-answer ko muna yung question, what makes you happy, future self? What makes me happy right now is to be able to travel around the Philippines. Nakapag-travel na ako sa ilang cities or provinces, pero hindi ko talaga siya na-vlog. Maybe nakalimutan ko siya, pero ngayon tutuloy na natin. Pero the only thing is, gusto ko mag-BJ talaga. Let's welcome BJ on the spot. Ano inisip nyo dahil ha? Ibig sabihin ng BJ is Blue Journey on the spot. So, yaman lang din na meron tayong mga bola dito. Bola ni Junjun. Charing! So, meron tayong ginawang printed names of the top 36 city or provinces na gusto kong puntahan. Ayoko ng typical na dito puntahan natin to or dito pupunta tayo dito. Gusto ko bunot-bunot para exciting. And then, I will let the other people participate too. Pag nahulaan nila kung saan ako pupunta, meron silang 500 Gcash. I think siguro mga 2 or 3 people every episode or bunot-bunot mananalo ng 500 Gcash just to give back or to make them feel na they belong if you're really watching this video. Diba? So, oh my God! Ayan na, hindi ko na alam anong gagawin ko, Day. So, ang gagawin natin is magbunot-bunot tayo dito. Baka sasabihin na naman ninyo na mandaraya kung isang lugar lang tong lahat ng 36. Baka niloloko ko lang sarili ko, Day. I think this is the first time na gagawin ng isang content creator. Content creator ba ako? Basta, first time na gagawin ng isang tao sa video na bunot-bunot on the spot within the Philippines. Well, meron ding, I think isa or dalawa na outside the Philippines. Huwag sana kasi mag-astos. Gusto ko rin sanang magtipid. So, let's go na. After Zamboanga City, the first place that we are going to visit in the Philippines or outside the Philippines is... Hindi na ako mag-sample, Day, kasi kapag, kunyari, i-open ko to, malalaman ko yung sagot, malalaman ko yung color. Bobo ba? Charing! Okay. After Zamboanga City, the first place that I am going to visit is... Ito na, I got the color green one. Kinakabahan na ako. Paano kaya ako magtitipid? Laban na to. Ito na. Bongga na ba? And you will also participate, guys. Of course, magko-comment lang kayo sa video ko or sa Facebook post ko in the future. Let's start with... Oh my God! Oh my God! Grabe. It starts with letter B.